You know, the ones who would be a perfect fit for your services and would love what you have to offer might be a struggle to get. Well, today I'm sharing my top tips and tricks to help you land a call with them. Whether you are a coach, your consultant, or a service provider, this video is for you, so grab a cup of coffee and get comfortable. The first one is research and preparation. Before you even think about reaching out to your dream clients, you need to do your research. Really do your research. You have to find out what their pain points are, what they're struggling with, and what they're looking for in a solution. And this will help you to tailor your approach and show them that you understand their needs. So start by checking out their website, their social media, and any other recent news or press release that might help you to do this. Now look out for clues about what's keeping them up at night and what they're trying to achieve. You can even use tools like LinkedIn Sales Navigator to find their contact information and get a better understanding of their company and everything else about them. Next, make sure your online presence is on point. So update your website if you have, and your LinkedIn profile and any other social media platform to showcase your expertise and what you can offer. You want to look professional and credible, so make sure that your profiles are complete and are consistent. Number 2 is crafting a compelling outreach message. Now it's time to reach out to your dream clients, but don't just send a generic message or email. You have to take the time to craft a compelling outreach message that speaks directly to their needs. So use the research you've done before and highlight how you can help them to solve their problems. Start with a strong subject line that grabs their attention, and also you can then introduce yourself and explain how you came across their company. Be clear and concise about what you can offer and how it will benefit them. Remember, it's all about them. And then make sure to include a clear call to action, like scheduling a call or sending you an email. The third one is follow up and persistence. Now don't be discouraged if you don't hear back from them right away, because it can take a little time for your dream client to respond. So be sure to follow up with a friendly email reminder or message, and don't give up. It can take multiple attempts to get on a call with your dream client. But with persistence and a positive attitude, you will increase your chances of success. Number 4 is preparing for the call. Once you've landed a call with your dream client, it's time to prepare. Now research about the company, about the industry, and every other data you need, and come up with a thoughtful question to ask during the call. It could be 3, it could be 2, it could be how many you want it to be. Make sure to have a clear and concise pitch ready to go. This should actually highlight your services and how you can help them achieve their goals. Some examples of questions you can ask are: what are your biggest challenges right now? How do you see our services helping you achieve your goals? What's your timeline for implementing a solution? You might not really go deeper into asking about how much they're willing to invest, maybe until after you've found out everything else you need to find out about how you can help them and how your services can be of help. The 5th one is the call and next steps. Now during the call, be sure to listen actively and take notes. This will help you to understand their needs and show that you are engaged. Don't just be static or be a listener without a note taker. You need to be a note taker in order to really show that you are listening and you are being engaged and you understand what they're trying to engage you with. After the call, be sure to follow up with a summary of your discussion and any other next steps. This will help keep the conversation going and also increase the chances of working together. And that's it. With these tips and tricks, you will be well on your way to landing a call with your dream clients. Before you go, check out this playlist. It could be here or here. And maybe if you haven't seen it, don't worry, it's going to pop up in a minute. There are so many valuable videos in this playlist. And I have others like money insights, self-love, and personal videos of mine. Remember to stay positive, persistent, and always be prepared. Do well to subscribe to this channel. We are close to 500 subscribers, so please make it happen. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.